Hey, if you have the Galaxy Watch 8 series, I have the 8 Watch Classic here. I'm going to show you how you can use other bands that are not standard Samsung bands that you can save a lot of money and change up the style on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, and we'll go over how you can get these amazing bands. All right, so first up, like I said, I've got the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic here. This is a great smartwatch, especially if you have an Android phone. If you have a Samsung phone, it has a really nice tight integration. And this is a really nice watch. This has the rotating bezel, as you can see here. So this is the 8 Classic. And one of the things that's really nice is with this year's model, this has a really nice leather hybrid band. So we've got leather on this side, and then we've got rubber on this side. You can see it's got some channels here to help keep dirt and sweat away from your wrist. But one of the issues I've always had with these Galaxy Watches is that the bands are proprietary, the connectors are proprietary, and if you want to use your own 22 millimeter bands with this, I'm going to show you how you can do that. But first, I'm going to show you some bands that I have here that you can pick up very affordable. Some of them are found on Amazon and other sites. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the official Galaxy Watch 8 Classic band that comes with the watch. Down here, I've got some other options. So if you want something that is a little more sporty, or you want a stainless steel band, we've got this bracelet right here. This has the adapters already on it, so it's made to be compatible with the Galaxy Watch 8 line. So all we're going to do is just go ahead and press down on the button and take off the bands just like so. We're going to set these off to the side. So now if I want a stainless steel band, I can go ahead and pick one of these up. I'm going to go ahead and just plug this right in. You'll see that it just snaps right in there perfectly. And we'll go ahead and there you go. So we now have a nice stainless steel band, so you can dress up your watch if you want to have that stainless steel look, if you like having stainless steel instead of leather or some other material. This is a great way to up the style of your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. But let's say that you don't want a stainless steel band, you don't want that weight. Some people like to have that heft, makes them feel like it's a little more premium. But let's say you don't want all that weight that you get with a stainless steel band. Then we can actually pick something like this, which is a nice rubber silicone band. It's a nice athletic sporty band, and it's going to help, especially if you're doing any type of outdoor activities, working out. Usually I use this for that. I like that bright orange color, but they have different colors. And you can see that it just went right on there just like that. Go ahead and throw it on the wrist for you real quick so you can see what it looks like. And if you want different colors, like I said, they've got different colors. And this just gives you a different style. This gives you a little more athletic look on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So if that's something that you want, the silicone's really nice for sweat. If you're going to do any hiking, that kind of thing, I definitely recommend a band like this. Not something so much like this, because this is going to be uncomfortable once it gets sweaty and your wrist gets hot. So let's say that you don't want something like this, or you want to use one of your existing watch bands that are 22 millimeter. Well, I've got a couple bands here from different watches, from different timepieces. These are all 22 millimeter. And so now what you can do is you can jump on Amazon and you can pick up adapters that will allow you to use pretty much any 22 millimeter band that you have on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So these are what the adapters look like. And all you're going to do is just go ahead and plug those right into the side. And it'll be just like when you put on the band, you'll hear that nice little snap. Go ahead and grab the other one here. and show you again. So you just snap that in like so. And now what you can do is you can take any 22mm band. So let's go ahead and take this leather band. Let's say I wanted like a vintage leather style. I can go ahead and just plug that in like so. And once you get that spring bar in there, make sure that that's in there. Do the same thing on this side. So just go ahead, put the spring bar in. Make sure it locks so you can see that it didn't lock. So you want to make sure that you get that snap in there. And now you've got a completely different look. You've got that nice leather vintage band on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So I really like this style band, especially if I want to dress it up. It's a casual look, but you can also wear it with something a little more formal. And so that is what that one looks like there. But let's say you don't want leather, then we've got you covered. So let's go ahead and just pop this band off, pop this side off. And let's say that we want something like a canvas band. So this is a nice 22mm gray canvas band. Same thing, just line it up. Get that spring bar in there. Make sure that you get that little click. If you don't get that click, you need to make sure that that does click in there. Sometimes you will have a little bit of difficulty. Some bands I've noticed are a little more finicky than others, but if it's 22mm, it should work. We'll go ahead and just plug that side in like so. And got that snapped in there. And now we've got a completely different look. We've got this nice canvas style band, nice gray canvas here. And it goes really nice with this watch. I haven't found a band really that I don't like on here. So this is a nice gray canvas style band you can see. And then we've also got another style here. So this one here is another canvas style. This is called a sailcloth band. And so this is nice for if it gets wet, it dries really quick. It's very versatile. You do have a nice soft leather bottom here. So it's going to feel comfortable on the wrist. And this is actually one of the bands that I've been wearing lately. And you can see that it has some texture to it. And it just levels up the look of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Let me go ahead and throw that one on for you. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. There's no gaps in there. So these adapters, you can pick these adapters up for like under 10 bucks on Amazon. You can pick up, I believe they come in 2 packs. You can get them in 4 packs. There's different brands out there that have it made for the Galaxy Watch 8 line. They also make it for the Galaxy Watch 7, I believe for the Ultra series. So it's just a really nice way to up the style of your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Really helps us out, gets content out to all of the other Galaxy Watch users. And let me go ahead and show you what else we can do here. So I'm going to go ahead and let me show you close up here. So you can see that these adapters really are nice fitting for this Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. You do have the articulation with those standard bands. So one thing I don't like about some of the Galaxy Watch bands is they do not articulate. So this does, it just hugs your wrist. It's nice and comfortable. You could wear it all day. Some of these other bands, like I said, if we go back to, let's go ahead and go back to this orange one. So this is really nice, like I said, for any type of exercise activities, anywhere where you're going to be sweating or you want something lightweight. So this is a really nice, and you can see that it fits that case just perfectly. You can see that right here, you can see it marries right up against the case. This one has a little bit of color stitching here. So we got some orange and blue, and it just gives you a little bit more on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And once again, this is the way to up the style on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hype the video so it gets out to all of the other Galaxy Watch enthusiasts. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.